'Cause you're a superstar. You got the face of things you're looking for. You're a superstar.
Beautiful day here at the park, taking the dogs for a walk, but we've got a really cool project we want to do today. Something I've never done before, and I can't wait to get back to the workshop and show you guys what we're going to do.
You got the face that they've been looking for. You got the look, you got the style. I'd like
Back in the workshop, and this is the project that we're going to do. This one's from Metal Bones Jewellery. Today I'm going to put my spin on this design. No carving, we're building this by melting wax. This doesn't look too hard, but I've never done it before, and I know I'm going to make a few mistakes along the way. For this project, we're definitely not going to need too much gear. We're going to need ring stick, wax pen, wax file, needle files, some small burrs, toothbrush, micromotor, and a soldering iron. Yeah, I almost forgot, we're going to need a scalpel. Today we're going to be using the blue wax because it's got a much lower melting point. This ring is going to be about a size P. What I've done is actually wrap some paper around the ring stick, add a little bit of tape on each side, and I'm going to build the wax around that. And hopefully I'll just be able to peel the paper off. Temperature matters on this one. Hot enough to melt the wax, but not so hot it turns into liquid and ends up on your fingers or your clothing. I don't want to see any burnt fingers on this job. Just slowly adding wax layer by layer, moving around the band until it connects. Keep going until you've got the width and thickness you want, making sure you've got enough wax to work with, especially on top where the stone's going to go. Okay, so that hasn't taken long to do, probably about 5 minutes. It looks pretty rough, but hopefully I'm going to be able to change all that. So I've got a bit of a taper on this, so I put a lot of the material at the top, at the bottom it's a lot finer. That's because we're going to add a stone, so I picked out something that I had lying around, and I like this one. So this is the stone, it's a smoky quartz, not very expensive, so I think it's a good stone to use for this project. My first mistake. I tried heating the wax and pushing the stone in, but the wax was setting way too fast. Next time I cut the seat first, set the stone, and then build wax around it. Alright, it's time to build the claws. You can use the small iron for this. Just add wax over the stone, shaping it as you go. Now it's time to clean things up. Cut away the excess with the scalpel. Be careful, we don't want to lose any fingers. Then in with a needle file to start shaping. At this point, you can really push your own style into the design. Me, I'm kind of making it up as I go. I'll add a bit of texture with a small burr. Now refine the band using a large burr, smoothing out everything. And finally, I'm back in with the soldering iron, cleaning up the claws and adding those last details. This is what I got so far. It doesn't look too bad, but what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take it off the ring stick and finish it off. I think I might add some textures with the burrs, maybe use a small soldering iron to put some extra little details on. I don't know what I'm going to do, but that's going to be part of the fun, just winging it as I have done so far. But anyway, it's not looking too bad. Alright, the moment of truth. Is it going to stick to the paper? I can't believe it, somehow it didn't. Now it's off, I can see there's a few spots inside the band I need to fix. So I'm going back in and adding some more wax. Same on the sides, just building it up where it's needed. File the inside, then smooth it out with emery. Now I'm adding a little more texture. This is where you can really make it your own. Check it out, pretty happy so far. Something a little different from what I normally do. What I'd like to do is make these claws look like little dragon claws. I think that'd be a cool effect, so I might add a few details there, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with the way this thing looks. Next up, shaping the claws. Just bring them down a little bit, making them shorter and cleaner. If you like this type of content, maybe think about subscribing to our channel. Now it's time to get the stone out. Not sure if I could just bend the wax. I thought I'd try heating it first. That didn't exactly go to plan. I need to add some wax before this claw breaks off. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but at least I got it out. I'll just add a little more wax to reinforce the claws, and then it's done. That's the beauty of this process. You can always repair or build it back up. The last thing I need to do is drill a hole in the bottom of the setting, and it's ready for casting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember, subscribe to the channel, leave a few comments, and check this video out right up here.